Check out this pretzel. Isn't that cool? 3 different sauces. We're gonna have to try them all.
Maggie, are you ready to go to Hershey? Are you ready to go see people? Your favorites? Huh? You ready to go see Kelly? You wanna go see Kelly? You wanna go see Jim and Kelly? Yeah, and other friends? Packing up and heading out to Hershey. That is Wednesday, September 15th. We're a little late, but it's all right. On our way.
Let's see who we found here. All right, we gotta find Miss Tina. She said she was on her way. We'll see. Yeah.
I'm still half asleep.
We are too, yeah. Well, you guys have been to the show, what, 3 or 4 days in a row already?
This is our 4th day. Actually, this is our 5th day because we registered on Monday.
Yeah, we've been here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our 5th day.
Yeah.
And it will be busy.
Oh yeah.
You got to deal with people.
Oh, today's Saturday?
Today's Friday.
Today's Friday, and everybody's been coming by and checking these guys out. So now that we're finally here, we're getting kind of used to that too. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
Here we go.
So we're gonna head back over to the RV show, show you guys a little bit of that today, and then we might go find a chocolate tour.
Ooh.
Yeah. We'll see if it's not Willy Wonka though. It's Hershey, right?
Yeah.
Hershey. Yeah.
Hershey's
it's Hershey,
chocolate
not Willy Wonka. We will.
If you want to.
Looks like Sweet Travels is in a predicament. Should we let him in? I don't know. Should we let him in? All right, we'll let you in.
Joe's in the travel.
That's what we're gonna do. Well, we're here at the Giant Center in Hershey, Pennsylvania for the Hershey RV show, and you can see behind us, there's a couple RVs here.
Just a few.
But we're having a great time. We're hanging out with Jim and Kelly from Sweet Travels, and we're just wearing ourselves out, walking around looking at RVs.
We've only been here a day and a half, and we're already tired.
Yeah. Well, we're going to go down and check out the DRVs since you guys saw our Lux tour on a couple videos ago. So we're going to go down and do a DRV tour. They got some new models out there. It's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
And let's go check them out.
Let's go.
So we had to come by and say hi.
Well, I'm glad you did. Yeah. We were interested in seeing her. Yeah.
So that's the JX450, just like ours, new paint. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, so this is just like ours, the same layout, JX450, just different interior colors. It's kind of pretty, I think. One new thing they come out with this year, they got the magnet catches with soft closed doors. So that's pretty cool. Look at this new tile. Beautiful. New ceiling fan. We need one of those for ours. And then they've got Max there for the fan. Yeah, just like ours. Also they now have glass slide up windows, storms, instead of the plastic like we have, and the awning on the back. Beautiful. GX 455. I love the paint.
I like the inside of it.
Yeah, it's the same one that those people that we met from up north have. I know. It's exactly like theirs.
Couch with the TV's right there.
Yeah. You sit sideways to watch TV. Same interior as the other one.
Step up towards the shower.
Just a separate potty. That's all that's in there.
New Horizons.
Now, what an absolute disaster. I talked to the lady twice. They
Probably put the generator
Wow.
right on top. I don't know.
Oh, split AC.
What? Is that something?
I like this one.
Yeah, this is cool. It's like a cabin.
Yeah, that's exactly what I thought.
Yeah.
Just went through the door earlier. Like, holy
Yeah.
cow!
Cabin on
Wait,
wheels.
me.
Take this to the lake.
Cabin on wheels.
Is this a coat closet? Oh yeah, your big coat closet. Oh, I like this a lot.
This isn't like the one that was at HG rally at all.
That's pretty cool. That's not.
Oh, I like. Look, yeah.
Yeah, I like this.
Ooh, I like this a lot.
Yeah, you got the other one I did like.
Queen, have to go with the king. It's got, these cabinets have lights in them.
There's your toilet paper holder.
Oh yeah.
Okay, guys.
Huh? How much are these?
So you stop the wind from coming up underneath the big head. There you go.
258.
Not harsh. All we're using are fireplaces, electric fireplaces.
So it's,
And it keeps it. Yeah, it keeps it warm in there. Yeah.
excuse me. Wow, this is huge.
Yeah.
Come here and stand in here.
Colorado guy does the cold
Yeah.
skirting, RV skirting.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Here.
Yeah.
He can do that, but I need to go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can
How big it
size
is?
your trailer
Yeah.
up.
Look at the counter space and look at the stove.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
What's that?
Faced with the choice of
Stay there, and now he's got
The
to
blinds.
That's cool.
Can't remember where it was.
That's cool. So
What is this?
that's the Majestic.
Majestic?
Yeah. So let's look at the Summit. Shorter. Oh wow.
Yep, and as far as what fabrics and furniture and bedding and all that type of stuff, we can choose whatever we want. Backsplash, it's, you know, I don't just have like 5 choices. I mean, if you go to Home Depot, you get backsplash, you love, that's the backsplash. That's that good amount.
Feels good.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Okay. There's only 2 they have. I like this one. You ready for a milkshake?
Yes.
It's hot. My feet are tired.
I'm ready to go home and see baby dog.
Yeah. Poor Maggie.
Put my feet up.
There's the
Come
barbecue
back
pit.
tomorrow.
Look at this paint. Go ahead. This is my dream coach.
In Italy. Well, in Italy. It's just south of
Look at the
Dolomite.
kitchen,
It's a lake
Tina.
called Lake Garda. Yep. So we drove from Innsbruck to Boston.
Yeah, got a half bath here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep, half bath. Got a little pantry here.
Oh, then it does have a little. Oh, nice.
Yeah, isn't that cool? And look, it's got the flush slide, king bed, washer dryer. Oh yeah, woo! This is cool. And there's the emergency door. Oh yeah, there's a safe back there, a big one.
That's a good place to hide your shoes.
Yeah. It's got this liquid. This got the LCD dash in it too. That paint is beautiful. That paint, that blue. Yeah, look at the orange. I'm not even going to say this is cool because this is beyond cool. Look at that picture window with a TV in the televator. Oh, oh my. Oh, look at the bathroom.
What's that back there?
King bed.
A carpet.
No, it's got a texture. I thought it felt like carpet. It's tile.
So there's a reason why I don't like to go in these.
Why?
Because I fall in love with them.
Every time.
Every time. They're beautiful.
Wow. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. I'll take this all day long. $750,000.
Look, the pantry's
King Air.
bigger. It must be longer.
It might be. Yeah,
I
it might
like
be
this
longer.
dainty fridge though. Look.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
We really had a great time at the 2021 Hershey RV show. We met some of our amazing followers and even made a few new friends. As with most RV shows, there's so many RVs there, we couldn't possibly see them all. Here you see us spending some time with our friend Kevin Carlin from Micro Air. There were plenty of folks stopping by to say hi, and we enjoyed meeting each and every one of them. Stick around for next week's video where we spend the day at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. It was pretty sweet. We hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, safe travels. Bye.